So while I was watering the flower and I removed some dead leaves from the rhubarb, and as you can see, there's interesting stuff in it. There's some beetles um, in the creases of the leaves, and I've searched online. I think they're called the black vine weevils. So they're actually pests, and they are not good for your garden. So if you find them, you should remove them. And they're probably nocturnal because it looks like they're sleeping right now. Or resting. I don't know if they're sleeping, but yeah. And as you can see, there's a lot of bite marks on the leaves all over this rhubarb plants. And I believe that's from those beetles. And you can see some leftover feces from the beetles as well.